Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will understand the process of connecting your Axis Bank account to Tally Prime. This enables you to enjoy the benefits of the connected banking feature introduced in Tally Prime Release 6.0. You will also know how to reconnect or disconnect a bank account from Tally Prime. It is important to note that you can use the connected banking services only if you have a current account with Axis Bank. First, let's see how to connect your Axis Bank account. Press Alt-Z. All banking options. And select Bank Connections. If you have not logged into connected banking already, then you will need to log in. Press F6 to establish a new connection. Select Axis Bank India. You can see that a connection ID gets generated. Press C to connect and you will be redirected to the Axis Bank portal on your web browser. Here, you need to authorize the use of Axis Bank account for connected banking in Tally Prime. You will need to use your retail or corporate credentials to proceed. Let's see how to connect your Axis Bank account on the portal. Enter your Axis Bank login credentials. Enter the OTP received on your mobile number that is registered with the bank. Submit the OTP. After reading the terms and conditions, click Proceed. You have completed the steps on the bank portal. You can switch to Tally Prime. In Tally Prime, press S to refresh the status. The connection with your Axis Bank account is now successful. In the Bank Connections report, you will be able to see the status of the connection as connected along with its validity. Press Shift-Enter on the Axis Bank row. You will see the bank accounts that got linked. This allows you to get bank statements and balance online and perform other connected banking activities. To learn the process, refer to the video links provided in the description. Now, let us see how to connect your bank account if you are a corporate customer with multiple users. To connect your bank accounts to Tally Prime, you need to have the maker rights on the bank portal. In Tally Prime, you can initiate the connection. Enter your login credentials. Enter the OTP received on your mobile number that is registered with the bank. Submit the OTP. In the Select Profile screen, select to Gen as the profile. Then, select the approver. Click Proceed. Here's the terms and conditions. Once you read it, click I have read the terms and conditions and click Proceed. You have completed the steps on the bank portal. Now, an approver has to approve the bank connection. The approver has to log into the bank portal with the login credentials. Enter the OTP received on the approver's mobile number and click Submit. Now, click to view under Approvals Due. Click User Registration. Under the ERP tab, click the checkbox corresponding to the bank connection. Now, click Authorize. Enter the OTP received on the approver's mobile number and click Confirm. The bank accounts get connected after the successful authorization. You can switch to Tally Prime. Once the bank connections report is refreshed, you can view the status of the connection as connected. Now, let's see how to reconnect your bank accounts. The connection might be expired after its validity. In such cases, you need to reconnect your bank account. Select the bank and press F7 to manage the bank connection. Press F6 to reconnect. You can see that a connection ID gets generated. Press C to connect and you will be redirected to the Axis Bank portal on your web browser. You can now establish the connection between the Axis Bank account and Tally Prime. In this case, an approval is not required because you are reconnecting an expired connection. In a different scenario, after initiating the connection, the authentication on the bank portal might get interrupted. So, in Tally Prime, the connection status with Axis Bank will be in progress. In such a case, when you reconnect, you need to follow all the steps on the portal as shown in part 1 of this video. When you do not want to use your Axis Bank account through connected banking, you can disconnect. In the Bank Connections report, press F7 to manage bank connection. Press Alt F6. Now, press D to disconnect the Axis Bank account. Press Y to confirm. Enter the OTP sent to your mobile number that is registered with the bank. The bank account gets disconnected. If you want to connect your Axis Bank account again, then you will need to establish a new connection. As you saw, you can connect your Axis Bank account in a matter of clicks and then enter the required details on the portal to establish a connection. In case the connection has expired, you can reconnect your bank account. When you do not want to use your Axis Bank account through connected banking, you can disconnect it. Now that you know the process of connecting your bank accounts to Tally Prime, you can watch our videos how to check your bank balance using connected banking in Tally Prime and how to get bank statements using connected banking in Tally Prime. The links are in the description. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp us for assistance. Subscribe to Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.